I was just scrolling through Instagram when I saw something insane, a niche that was booming. The video had over 26.2 million views. I thought, that's crazy, but what about TikTok? So, I did a quick search, and boom, it was blowing up there too. This could be the easiest way to go viral right now. And guess what? This creator is earning thousands just by doing this. Therefore, I have come up with an idea to create these viral top 5 moments video in minutes using an AI tool. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make these videos from scratch. So, watch this video till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a quick preview of what we will be creating.
Daddy finger,
Let me get out of the way.
where are you?
Can you say Megatron?
Megatron.
Let me quickly explain how we're going to create these top 5 moment videos. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a name for our channel. Then, we'll use an AI tool to create our channel logo. After that, we'll use ChatGPT to come up with viral ideas and gather clips. Finally, we'll use an AI tool to create the video. Sounds easy, right? Trust me, it is. Now, let's get into the video. First things first, let's create a channel name. This is important because branding is key to going viral. And instead of spending hours trying to come up with something unique, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a prompt document that makes this super easy. You can access it from the description. Simply copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT. I'm instructing ChatGPT to act like a YouTube analyst, analyze competitor channels, and suggest 15 unique names based on the given details. And just like that, ChatGPT generates 15 channel names. You can choose the one you like. Now that we have a name, let's create a channel logo. If you've ever used AI for image generation, you've probably heard of Leonardo AI. It's hands down one of the best tools out there. Once you're on the Leonardo AI dashboard, click on the image generation. Before making this video, I tried generating a couple of images, and they turned out pretty cool. Now, copy and paste the positive prompt from my prompt document into this box. Just add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click on Model and choose Phoenix 1.0. Also, make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1. Scroll down, click on Advanced Settings, and enable the negative prompt. Copy and paste the negative prompt from the prompt document into this box. Finally, click Generate. Let's fast forward a bit. And there you have it. Your brand new channel logo is ready. Select the one you like. Now, here's where things get exciting. Finding the right idea is everything in the top 5 moments niche. But instead of staring at a blank screen, we'll use ChatGPT. I will use another pro-level prompt from my document. That instructed ChatGPT to come up with 16 viral ideas in various categories. And boom, ChatGPT just gave us a goldmine of ideas. You can choose whichever suits your style. I'm picking this one. Now that we have an idea, it's time to look for viral video clips. This is an important step because the clips we choose will determine how engaging our final video is. The best places to find them are TikTok and Reddit. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Simply search for related content based on your selected idea. Use the top option to find and download videos that have already gained a lot of views, and arrange your clips in a folder, as I have. Now, here's where the real magic happens. It's time to use an AI tool to transform the clips into a complete video. But before that, I just noticed 95% of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel. So, please give this video a like and subscribe for more such videos. At this point, you could either spend hours manually editing, or you could let AI automate the process. And this is where Clippie AI comes in. It can create viral videos in minutes, whether it is fake tech stories, Reddit videos, would you rather videos, and much more. But today, we're using its brand new top 5 video feature. So, head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you've signed up, you'll be brought to this dashboard. Click on the top 5 video feature. At the top, choose the number of clips you want to upload. As of now, I'll go with 5. Now, simply upload your video clips from below. Let's skip the loading process. Once the files have been uploaded, click Next. In the style options, you can customize everything. Select a font style, its color, font size, and its position. The blur background option can be used to highlight the text in the video. You can also select background music, or upload your own. As of now, I will not select any of them. Next, enter a title for your video. You can also arrange your videos according to your needs. Finally, add titles to all of the video clips. Be creative with these, as it makes a huge impact. Once everything looks good, click Export Video. Enter a name for your file and then click Render Video. Clippie AI will begin the video generation. And, as you can see, our video is ready. Click Download and boom, your viral video is ready. Personally, I would avoid using any movie clips due to copyright concerns. You can, however, use copyright-free videos such as funny clips, short stream moments, goal moments, and so on. Also, my pro-level prompt document is available to help you. And just like that, we used AI to create a viral top 5 moments video in minutes. This niche is fresh, untapped, and insanely profitable. And now you have the complete guide to starting your own channel. As a result, I highly recommend trying Clippie AI, as it's the most affordable tool available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.